First, the news headlines. World Farmers' Day observed. Role of farmers vital in bringing developmental changes, says Director Horticulture and Soil Conservation 𝗙𝗧𝗪𝗓. Successful students of UNACO school feted. School achieves 100% pass percentage in class 10-12 exams 2022. And 7 individuals involved in ethics in Pauna-Thangal market areas arrested, 5 of them children in conflict with law. Is Window English News. I am Celina 𝗔𝐲𝐶𝐵 giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. Director of Horticulture and Soil Conservation 𝗥𝐢𝗯𝗥 𝗙𝗧𝗪 underlined the role of farmers in bringing a developmental change in agriculture sector. He also stressed the need to deliberate on measures to boost the income of the farmers and to make the state self-reliant. The horticulture director was speaking at the observance of the World Farmers' Day organized by 𝗨𝗡𝗍 at Manipur Press Club's Loktak Hall today. 𝗨𝗡𝐷𝐾 Working President 𝗨𝗥𝗡𝗔𝗟 𝗔𝗡𝗙 Project Officer 𝗕𝗥𝗄𝗄𝗅 𝗙𝗥𝗡𝗙 Agro Industries Private Limited Managing Director 𝗙𝗥𝗡𝗙𝗪 and Associate Professor DM College of Arts 𝗕𝗥𝗩𝗪𝗏 were among the dignitaries present at the observance. Speaking further, 𝗙𝗧𝗪 said formulations of association is vital to pressurize relevant departments to address the issues facing the farmers, stating that he deeply understands the plights and grievances of the farmers as he used to mingle with them since a long time. He said, there have been huge differences between agricultural methods of the state and that of the other states. The farmers faced many difficulties since a long time due to the failure to optimize the state's resources and failure to implement various policies. Further pointing that the problems facing the farmers cannot be resolved all at once, he reiterated the need to deliberate on the problems to resolve them to usher in development and for the welfare of the farmers. He also added that the funds sanctioned for development of agriculture sector in the state is almost negligible.
Pressure period, Aduna association was same the way at the agency and instigate the way, man, the trigger the 𝗕𝗥𝗄𝗄𝗅 all Manipur Farmers Development Association like now. I have a president to Suraya, Oda Suraya, this computer, and honorable names and things. I am a founder going down the computer in Carolina, the rest of the association. I am listening to the city of Haga, Yamana, Hawksanga, Yamana, Lomi, Wawa, Midlanga, Puri, Ketava, according to the Awapa, labor resource, Sinadava, optimized of policy the gate labor, implementation the gate labor, Silva Kayase, Yaman Hungary. Masi Makata at different level. I service key not only farm manager or I farm re-established colony, Manipur, Amatanaira, a cinema, Miami visit of them, farm re-established Germany.
Working President of 𝗨𝗡𝗔𝗥 𝗨𝗥𝗡𝗙 emphasized need to take up steps for the welfare of the farmers who are the backbone of the society. Also urging the government to prioritize the development of agriculture sector to boost the overall development of the state's economy, Birjit said that 𝗨𝗡𝗥 is further to initiate further steps for the welfare of the farmers.
Ngasi ki thoram si akoi na jai kara ngasi ki lai ko ni se akoi World Farmers Day haidana that 14th May 14 asi World Farmers Day si apudi mukta European country roda yam kana kana part roda kana thoramam kani program kan asi European country asi yam kana sana pa ko haidar international Federation of Agriculture and Production haidana lai look asina Mamang sahi nagmi matamda 1946 ki anamro matamda na same ki ba aduba ibasina haiba ni 14 ni asi local laga hamko ni malenda leiba loni kuding maki haidigi phaba haidigi tamoba ni adu asi habi ni lawraga World Farmers Day haidna malen ki takal loni singe ba ni ama haidna lawthoki ba adubu aina kan ba na su lo sinjara kanda malen ki kunglei matung ni sale ba program sing sing bar le yausha ko na da asi ani buda da kan ba na kan bo ila matung sida lo da sida so ai sida so ai na asi am to ba holi.
Successful students of 𝐸 School in the Class 10 and Class 12 examinations conducted by CBSE were felicitated at 𝐸 School, Maitram and 𝐸 School, Kongman today. Chairman of 𝐸 School N. Irabanta, 𝐸 School DGM N. Shyamsan, Editor-in-Chief 𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗏 N. Hemantkumar, Principal 𝐸 School Maitram Apurba Sunadar Das, Principal 𝐸 School Kongman Gita Rani graced the felicitation program as the main guest. The successful students were feted with shawls each, while the toppers were presented with mementos and cash incentives. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman 𝐸 School Irabanta said, academy, health and discipline are the key components for a student to be successful in life. Without these three components, it would be hard to achieve one's goal, he said, aiding that 𝐸 School has been striving to provide these requisites to the students and have been nurturing to be fine persons in future. Attributing the 100% pass percentage of their students in the Class 10 and Class 12 exams to the relentless efforts of the school authority and hard work of the students, he shared various initiatives taken up by the school.
Class 10 da change ani subali wala ki kage ado koi class 10 mangi ba result si apoi entire 𝐸 School na 2016 dagi physically thak kar kara finally zero result koi 𝐸 School me thom na class 10 mangi apoi ma 98.4 satna masi apoi school level na tima to pawe ado si ko ke apoi na to ko ba mamu dagi he pasat ma ko 𝐸 School se dagi le na good for mana 98.6 at the moment in mana 493.2 pura among 19 no one about ma the money and my daughter away money to you and simply from all the class 8 the 𝐸 School by Jonah away sadly sila away secretary and the come all the day the subject to election and then 𝐸 School by Jonah 96 kilometers at the Sata, only Mayawi, was in fighting for the economic reporting of the fighting for the Mama, Lavani, Esimin, Siguna, Center, Sepoi, Sisu is other Kavi, Yama, Mommy, Sulama, Center, who is asking, Jensen, one of the but Luna, Masi, my company, probably great set, Monway, who is happening in the beginning. Na koi kan hono na masi na koi sima mani agulna na koi parents koi pojam se sapya honi school management में उदासी को लोगों ने बदली सी कंपनी और वहाँ मॉडल में एक साथ जुड़ेगी और उदार में होना जो इमाई का क्या है जो साथ रही ना पागल नहीं फिर उनका मार्क हुआ है क्रेडिट है कि साथ जुड़ेगी और उनका मसी ग्राफ के रूप में अपना मामा नवा आसों से ना और बितते दोनों में दोनों याद नहीं और उनका कोई बैठने में जो कोई हमें मसी में पास हो रहे और कोई sunrise will go so all of the possible pass of the sunrise will go low about 60% low pass of the yang so basically avoid one the people examine who ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯈꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯆꯩꯗꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯁꯄꯤꯁꯦꯜ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯏꯁꯄꯤꯁꯦꯜ ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯈꯩꯅ ꯃꯣꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯅꯦ.
Manipur police has arrested 7 individuals during investigation launched in connections with recent attacks on civilians by unknown miscreants in and around 𝗙𝗏𝗄 and 𝗙𝗏𝗄𝗏 areas, a police report said. It said 7 individuals who were involved in such incidents have been identified and arrested from various places in Imphal West and Imphal East districts. The apprehended individuals have been identified as 𝐿𝐾𝐢𝐯𝐬 𝐁𝐫𝐴, aged 19, 𝑅K Ronish, aged 22, while 5 are children in conflict with low CCL. Further investigation is ongoing, it said. On the other hand, such operations and area dominations were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of hills and valley districts during the last 24 hours between May 12 and 13, a report from Manipur Police Control Room said. Movement of 221 and 408 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2 respectively with essential items were ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided in sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. A total of 126 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley, and police detained 121 persons in connections with violations in different districts of the state, the report added. Director in charge of Rashtriya Raksha University, Avinash Khare, said that young aspirants who want to pursue career in national security can avail the facilities from diversity in Arunachal Pradesh. Addressing a press meet held at Manipur Press Club's Thangsing Hall today, Avinash Khare said the university provides diploma, bachelor and master's degree courses on police sector, cyber security, physical education, police administration, cyber security, mental and health welfare. He urged interested to come and avail the facilities in the university, which is under the Ministry of Home Affairs.
We have important additional benefit of scholarship for these students, those who want to pursue their career in this particular area. With field trips, internships and different placement sectors, we directly send them to national security organizations to understand national security setups. And when they come back and when they graduate from this particular university, they already becomes a skilled individual, those who can serve for the better cause of the nation. This university not only dedicates its curriculum towards only aspirants or those who want to serve the nation, but already in such persons are also regularly getting trained. Through its certification programs, police personnel, armed personnel, they come and they build their capacity in different areas of national security.
Let us take a quick break.
Step into a world of endless possibilities with 18 dynamic faculties and 180 plus courses. Unlock your potential with industrial-ready training and placements. SGT University, empowering tomorrow's leaders.
Welcome back. Human Rights Alert HRA has condoled the demise of 𝗷𝗻𝗂𝐬. A prayer statement issued by Executive Director HRR 𝗙𝗢𝗧𝗏 said, HRA joins the near and dear ones of the late 𝗷𝗻𝗂𝐬 in deeply mourning his demise. It said, fondly known as Biren Lamba, he is a person of rare intellectual caliber who can harmoniously blend our own indigenous knowledge system with that of the modern scientific one, rekindling the Renaissance. HRA will forever remain indebted for his pioneering work of rendering 𝗔𝗟𝗓𝗢 into English language. It is through his painstaking work that HRA have been able to proudly present the depth of 𝗦𝗧𝗐 civilization values to the world of contemporary international humanitarian law. His passion for Manipur and compassion of its people is matched only by his modesty and humility. The void that this gentle soul has left will be felt not only by this generation, but also by many more generations of Manipuri yet to come, the statement added. The Joint Director District Veterinary Office, Thawal, organized a farmers training program on the theme Poultry Management, Scientific Rearing of Pig and Livestock Insurance under the National Livestock Mission NLM. 𝐶𝐻 ex-member 𝐷𝗐𝐿 𝐁𝐵, Dr. P. Gonendro, Joint Director District Veterinary Office, Thawal, and W. Broken Singh, ex-Pradhan, Langmaidon GP graced the event as chief guest, functional president and the guest of honor respectively. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. P. Gonendro highlighted the various schemes given by the Government of India for farmers. He also spoke on the importance of agricultural insurance in alleviating the many issues faced by the farmers. The program was attended by about 80 farmers. The Enforcement Directorate probing the excise policy case told the Delhi High Court Tuesday that the Aam Aadmi Party AAP will be named as a co-accused in the case in its next prosecution complaint. The submission was met by the ED Council while the High Court was hearing former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia's bail petition in the money laundering case pertaining to the excise policy. Opposing Sisodia's bail plea, the probe agency said concerted efforts are being made by the accused to delay trial in the liquor policy case. Last month, it was reported that the probe agency was likely to file its latest prosecution complaint, equivalent to a supplementary charge sheet, against the AAP along with CM Kejriwal, possibly before May 15, meeting the 60-day deadline since the March 15 arrest of K. Kavitha, Telangana MLC, and co-accused in the case. ED officials had said that naming of AAP as an accused party was an unprecedented move, but they had sound legal advice to back it. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. World Farmers' Day observed. Role of farmers vital in bringing developmental changes, says Director Horticulture and Soil Conservation 𝗙𝗏𝗧𝗏 Sharma. Successful students of UNACO school fated. School achieves 100% pass percentage in class 10-12 exams 2022. And 7 individuals involved in attacks in Pauna, Thangal market areas arrested. 5 of them children in conflict with law. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.